Hi, I'm Dr. I. Martin Levy, and my specialty is orthopedic surgery, and I subspecialize in sports medicine. I've been here at Montefiore for 46 years. What made me stay is what brought me here. It was an opportunity to take care of a group of patients who really needed us to take care of them. The most common maladies that I take care of are injuries to the knee and the shoulder. It's terrible to see a young person or somebody who's torn their ACL and now they've got a year ahead of them to recover. But on the other side of it, the knowledge that we can get them back is very gratifying. We really enjoy taking care of this community. I enjoy taking care of this community. I feel part of this community. I've been here for more than half of my life. I'm always proud of this community. Its culture, its food, its people. It is a really neat place to practice medicine. I am glad to be able to be here to help someone if they need it.